Hi, this is an instruction video of how to install a chimney on Haljas wood-fired saunas. First of all, you have to take the larger pipe, push it up the hole, allow enough clearance for the smaller pipe to be attached on top of the heater. And drop it down. Next thing you have to do is get these metal flashings. You would already have pre-drilled holes for the locations. Line the holes up and just screw it using the screws provided into the ceiling. Then you take this rubber seal and press it between the pipe and the flashing all around the heater. You open this and find inside two metal pieces. One of which covers the hole, and this is what you should have there before starting your heating. Now as you press the larger pipe through the ceiling, you would see something like this. There's a rubber seal which you need to pull up. Get your fingers in and just make sure it comes all the way up. Then you have this last piece of the chimney, which will be installed just after you place the rain collar around the pipe and bring it down to cover the rubber seal, and just use a flathead screwdriver to tighten it around the chimney. Then you put your last piece on and you are ready to go.